Hey guys, I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. If you feel like it doesn't apply, please take a look at my other videos to check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs. So, I do want to, sorry for y'all, sorry for being quiet. Okay, so listen, I want to clarify this. I'm picking up two things, but what I'm more so picking up for you guys, y'all's the past person, so listen. You're at a distance from someone, and I feel like they want to come back and communicate with you about how they feel, but see, this person is being really cautious because they broke your trust. I'm really feeling like it's a past person, but I want to just be 100%. I just want to double check. Let me see. Clarify, pay attention to the red flags, please. Clarify, pay attention to the red flags, playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. Yep, soulmate, forgiving and learning. I knew it. It's the past person. I had to make sure because I'm like, is this how y'all are feeling? But this is a past person. So, Capricorn, you could have been dealing with someone that broke your trust in the past. Cross watchers, the Capricorn is someone that you were dealing with and this person broke your trust. But I do feel like they're taking a cautious approach because, like I mentioned before, they did break your heart. And they miss having fun with you. They miss being flirtatious with you. So if it's like you haven't heard from this person, I do feel like they're going to come back in really soon because they want you to forgive them for everything that they did to you. And they now realize that you are their soulmate. See, they want you to stay optimistic about your love life with them because, again, they did break your trust. Let me see. Give me one more card on this column, please. Oh, okay, you gave me 3. Okay, so hold on. Let's see. Ooh, okay. So they want you to stay optimistic about being with them because they definitely do have romantic feelings for you. And I feel like they're going to come back as a new person, Capricorn. They're going to show you another side to them. And they want to start over because they want both of you guys to get to know each other. Like, they want you to get to know the real them, basically. Because they want to build something solid with you. Again, this person is somebody that you're at a distance from, or there's some type of distance, like you guys are just separated right now. But there's just a lot of passion between the two of you. There's definitely an attraction. Okay. So this person wants to express how they feel about you, but see, they have to release their ex. So there was definitely some type of third-party interference here. Okay. All right, so let's hop in. I'm going to slide these up. And let's see what's going on, Capricorn. So they broke your trust because there was an ex here that they were dealing with. Okay. So this person is trying to get out of a situation. That's why they're taking this cautious approach because they know that y'all are done with them. I mean, y'all don't have time. So yeah, I'm curious to see how this one's gonna play out. So let's see. Okay, Spirit, general reading for my Capricorns, please. What messages do you have for Capricorn? Okay, guys, bottom of the deck, I have the 3 of Cups reversed. So you see what I'm saying? This person is trying to get out of a third-party situation. And they know that they disappointed you. So let's see. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But I feel like this person wants stability with you. They want to come in and give you an offer. And it looks like they made a decision about that. But see, this person is someone in the past. Yep, they left you out in the cold. They ghosted you, and I do feel like it's because of that ex that came back into the picture. And see, they're afraid that things may not improve with you. And they're hoping that you basically aren't angry with them. You let go of them hurting you, them leaving you out in the cold like that. Somebody's, yeah, Capricorn, either this is you or you're dealing with another Capricorn. This person, I feel like they were in some type of toxic third-party situation here. And this is why they're scared to come back to speak their truth to you. See, this person wants to give you an offer. They definitely want to give you an offer. I do feel like it is a small offer because, see, they're still stuck in a situation. They're trying to get out of it. But, see, they're frustrated right now. Tell me more. Yeah, they're frustrated because they want to start over and build something with you. Didn't I tell y'all with the getting to know each other card? They do want to have this new beginning with you. But see, right now, they're saying that they're not taking the leap. to come towards you to have this new beginning right now. So it looks like they're using... Okay. Oh, it looks like... I'm sorry, y'all. I'm laughing because the way the card came out, I was like, oh, okay, so, you know, they feel like they lost you and they're coming out of their head, but y'all saw it flip back over, but okay. So this person is using their intuition, but see, they're in their head still because they feel like they lost you. They feel like they lost you for good. So it looks like a decision is made. Let's see, tell me more. The seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow. But see, they're dragging their feet. They're definitely taking their time to come towards you. And I feel like it's because of what they did to you in the past. Some of you guys could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But see, this person wants to give you an offer, but they feel like you're going to reject it. And this is why they're afraid that they're not going to have a victory with you. Because see, this person wants to move forward with you. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Cancer. But see, this person was being very immature and childish towards you in the past. Could have been dealing with a Scorpio. But this is why they're afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning with you because there's no stability with them. But I do feel like whatever this person is going through, they are transforming. Some of you guys could be dealing with an Aries. But see, this person is watching you because they know that they broke your heart. And they don't want you to move on. They don't. So they're keeping a close eye on you guys. Tell me about this Three of Swords, please. Justice tried to come out. Somebody might be dealing with a Libra. I just saw a Taurus. What is going on? Okay. Yeah, somebody's still in some type of third-party situation, and I do feel like they're no longer confused. They know who it is that they want, and see, they're taking their time coming towards you because they do want things to improve. Clarify the Three of Pentacles, please. So, yeah, they're coming to speak their truth to you. They're going to let you know what took place in this third-party situation because, see, this person is single. They're going to let you know they ended things. And they want to have a peace of mind with you. And, see, they made a decision. But I do feel like it was just a lot of conflict that this person stirred up with you. A lot of disagreements, a lot of arguments. Tell me more. Yeah, because at the end of the day, this person was moving too slow to make up their mind. They were moving too slow to come towards you, and this is why things didn't balance out. Tell me more. Somebody could have been dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I feel like at this point, this person knows that they hurt you. And they feel like now you just shut down, like you're tired of dealing with them. And see, you dropped them. You let them go. And this is why they're scared. Like, they know... Honestly, I don't know. I just heard stubborn. So either they know that you're stubborn or they were being stubborn. But it's just like, man, he or she is not going to give me another chance. And see, this person, the way the Eight of Pentacles came out, they want to put in the work to win you back. But at the same time, they're not because it's just out of fear. Excuse me. So I definitely feel like this person wants to say something to you, but they're not saying it. Tell me more. See, they want a commitment with you. They want a relationship with you. For some of you guys, they want to take it to the next level. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus here, but they're going to cut it off. I just heard this isn't for everybody. Somebody could have been... Definitely there was a relationship because it says release your ex. So it could have been like a relationship or there could have been a marriage. I feel like somebody is trying to cut that off. They're trying to get out of this situation. And this is the holdup. And this is why it's like they want to speak their truth, but they're not. They have to cut this, whoever this is, this ex, they got to cut them off. But it's like they see things clearly now. And they're afraid that you're going to cut them off. For some of them that they have children, if they're in a relationship or they're married with kids, whatever it is, they feel like some of them are breaking up a family situation and this was the holdup. For others of you that doesn't apply, with the situation that, you know, this person or you've been going through, they're scared that you're going to cut them off for good, and they're afraid that you don't want to have this family with them, this wish fulfillment with them, marrying them, the whole nine. And see, I do feel like they're coming out of being frustrated about it. Tell me more. Because, see, this person's back and forth. Whoever y'all are dealing with, they are in their head big time. Because you're coming out of being frustrated, but at the same time, you're not moving forward. You know, you're not speaking your truth. And it honestly, it's because of the simple fact that, one, they're scared. Two, they're still going through karma, guys. This is why they're not moving forward just yet. See, this person is sad because of what they've done to you, but at the same time, somebody's going through some type of financial situation because they did take a loss financially here. Yeah, it could have been with like someone from their past childhood situation, but there's something going on. And see, Ace of Wands, the way it came out, it's like this person wants to have a new beginning with you, but because of what they did to you in the past, they feel like it's just not going to happen. But see, they want to come back to you to make things right. They want to turn things around. But because they stabbed you in the back, they feel like it's not going to happen. And this is why they're staying quiet, guys. This person has a hard time speaking their truth to you. And it's like they're hurting on the inside, but that mask. They know how to mask their emotions and hide how they truly feel. And I feel like that's why there's still karma going on, because they need to speak their truth not only to you, but whoever this person is that they've been dealing with. Some of you guys could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But yeah, this person is afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning with you because you cut them off. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra, and here's a Gemini. So this person definitely did cause an imbalance between the two of you, and this is why they're afraid that you're not going to give them a new opportunity here. But see, excuse me, they're going to rush in really fast here because they do want to have some type of new beginning. But because they were being harsh to you in the past, they were saying certain things to you that was just rude, very mean, cruel, they feel like they're not going to be able to balance anything out. I don't know if I said it. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius. Sorry if I did. But this person does want to communicate with you. There's communication that's going to come in because, see, they want to give you the offer that you deserve. They definitely want to give you this offer here. But they feel like you're not going to take it because they feel like you're no longer putting the time, effort, or energy into the situation. Some of you guys could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Tell me more. Yeah, see? They feel like if they give you this offer, you're going to pour it out. You're not taking it, and you're going to walk away from them. Okay. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, but this person just doesn't have the strength to come towards you to speak their truth right now. Could be dealing with a Pisces, but I'm telling you, the truth is going to come out, but see, they're isolating themselves. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. Good Lord. But it's just like they don't have any hope. They don't have hope that they can fix things. Yeah, they're afraid things are not going to improve. But see, they want stability with you. They want to fix things with you. And see, they're going to try to have the confidence to come to you to tell you this. But right now, they're not speaking their truth because there's somebody that's been trying to stop them from coming to you due to financial obligations. Tell me more. Yeah, but this person wants to commit to you. They definitely want a relationship with you because, see, in the past, they were being sneaky. And, see, they're cleaning up their act. See, they want to balance things out with you, Capricorn. They definitely do. Look at that. This person, definitely, you could be dealing with a Libra, but I feel like they're looking for the truth. They want to see how you feel about them because it's like you make them extremely happy. Clarify the sun. Clarify the sun, please. But they don't know what to do. For some of you guys, somebody is definitely going to court for like child support, some type of family situation, whether it's divorce, children, whatever. Somebody's going to court. And this right now, they just don't have a happy home. This is why they could also be worried about money. But I do feel like there's definitely a home situation going on with 2 4s right here. Something family, home, something's going on. But I do feel like if they are going to court, they're waiting on a decision. And they're waiting on some type of verdict to figure out, okay, if they do have to give someone money, you know, how much, or you know, what's going to be the outcome. I do feel like they did come to some type of decision, or a decision will be made really soon, but this person can't sleep because they're frustrated right now. And see, this is why it was taking them so long, because they were basically waiting on some type of like situation with their finances. So like I said, if it's court for family, contract, marriage, divorce, you know, it was something going on there. And I feel like this is why they were taking so long, but now it's kind of like they're tired and they're, you know, getting ready to make a move. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but I do feel like this person looks at you as someone who is very positive and they want to be with you. And see, they're trying to stay positive because they want you back in their life. They are manifesting to have you. Capricorn? Y'all, just leave me some comments. We're not even going to go into it. Leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates for you guys. Resonates for you guys. Resonates for